Hi there. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching my video. Welcome to the Bing Gold Trader program that we have already to optimize it and updated, and it's the last version now. It's optimized to export the signals from any Telegram group for signals and then imported it to your MetaTrader. So now, first of all, you have to go to my website and you have first to download the software. You can just go to download, press download from here, and then go to download now. Then after that, download this software. We already downloaded here, so the software is here, as you see. So now I want to tell you that first of all, this software doesn't have to be run on your own local PC. So you have to purchase a virtual private server like what I have now. This is a virtual private server. I purchase it. It will cost you only 13 euro per month. So for that case, because the program will need to work like 24 hours without any stop, so it's very crucial to rent the VPS. So you just have to click rent from here. This is the very good company that we always using it for purchasing and renting our VPS. So just press 1 month and you have to press on America and choose the United States East because it was the lowest latency. Then choose Windows, then skip. Okay, and after that, as you see, keep everything as it's here. Make sure to save the password. This password is very important because you have to use it when you want to log in to the server using remote desktop connection. So it's very important to save this password. After that, you only see it will cost you only 15 euro. So it's necessary because after that you will have to log into the server and follow the instruction and download the program again on the VPS. Then assuming you already have and rent the VPS. So assuming you already rent the VPS from my website, you have to download the software as I show you. So after that, when you already download the software and everything is ready, you just want to run this first program. It's very important because if it will create you multiple users to work on. So in case this program you don't know how to run it, you just have to watch my video. I already attach you this video so you can know how to run this first program, because this first program will create you multiple users to work on the VPS in case if you want to test multiple strategies. So now after I assume you already download the software and run this program, we will go and show you how to run the main program for exporting signals from Telegram to MetaTrader 5. So first of all, you have to right click on it and click run as administrator, then click more info, run anyway, then yes. Then now you have to import the license key, which I already provided you once you made the purchase. So now we have the license key, we paste it here and press. So we have the license key is ready. So now we have to paste it here and press enter. So now the program will ask you to add the exclusion for the program to be run on Windows Defender, so in case it will be running 24 hours without any stop. So just press yes and press enter. Okay, we wait for the program now to be run. The program now is searching for all of the MetaTrader 5 users and brokers you are using it on the server, because here in my server I use multiple brokers in case of multiple trading on multiple strategies. Okay, and as you see here, now it's searching for all the users to, as you see here, the program has already successfully searched for all the users which were exactly want to paste the signal to and export the signal to. So now the program will ask me first which users you want to receive the signal. Let's say, for example, I run two versions of the software on two different groups, because let's say the first version will be run on administrator to export the signals from bin group, and the next version will be run on gold 1 to export the signals from mo group, fxm mo group. So this is two different programs, and it will export, every program will export the signal separately to the exact user. So it's necessary if you want to run the software on a separated account and with multiple users, you can choose where to receive the signal on which user exactly. So if you want to run only one version and to export the signals all to, you just have to press enter. And if you want to select the multiple accounts, you just have to just paste the user and press comma and choose the user again and press comma and then press enter. So as I default now, because I want to export the signals on all users, so I just want to press enter. So now the program will know exactly where are the trading signals file that we will use it to export the signal to. And now the program will open the Telegram web. It's necessary so we can choose the group from where we will have to export the signal from. So now I will have to use my phone to scan the QR code. Now, if I want to scan the QR code and log into my Telegram web, you have to go to your phone and press settings, then go to devices, then add device, then I will scan the QR code through my phone now. As you see, I already scanned it successfully. So now I already log in to the groups which I want to export the signal from. So now I will choose for example the group that I want to export the signal from, which is, as you see, we just press block. It's called mo GTMO. This is the VIP, which I always recommended my people to use GTMO, because we already tested the program on since long time, and the guy is very good, and he living in Dubai, and he provided a very accurate signal which is like winning rate is like 90%, and I have already the preset settings which you will use it for the EA for the default best settings, which is we already tested since long time. So as you see, also you have to, you can use multiple strategies. You can just test multiple strategies. If you don't know how to run the uh, run this EA and know the preset settings, I will provide you the video in the next version, so I will explain everything how to you can use the software on MT5. So now let's continue. So after that, now we scanned, we have to choose the group. We already did that. As you see here, we clicked on this. Even you can choose bin VIP circle, but my preference and my best is GTMO because his signals is very accurate. So now about bin VIP circle, I have tested multiple times, but I think the signals was not that good. So my recommendation is to use GTMO. So now after I select the group from here, I scroll down, then I go to the program again. Sorry, I will go to the program again, and then as we assuming we already scanned the QR code, I press enter. And I already navigated to the targeted group and selected it, and I press enter. So now the program will be running on headless mode, and it will start exporting signals and watch it 24 hour without any stop, and it will scheduling disconnect you from the server like after 60 seconds. The program will keep running 24 hours without any stop. You don't have to worry about it anymore. In case you want to go again for the program, you just have to log into the read user on the server. There is a user called read. This is the program where the program is running, if you, in case you want to stop it. And if you want to run a different version of the program, you can just have to copy this on another user on the server and choose where to save the signal exactly, and choose a different group. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe.